So hey everyone, this is Abhishek from Gleeve Motors, and in today's video we are going to discuss about the maintenance of Protos and Protos VMX. So I receive a lot of queries that how we are going to do after sales and service. So these products are quite simple to maintain. So I'm just going to show you some of the parts that how you can change the parts easily. So if we'll come closer, then you will see. So these are fully built products and these are yet to be assembled. So in these products you will see, like, this is the brake, this is the light switch. So this can easily be removed from here. You can just open it up from this side, and then you can take out the grip, remove the brakes, and then you can also remove this, and then you can easily change it. Similarly, these are for the brakes. So you can change the brake. Then this is for the throttle. You can open, you just need to open these two, there are these two bolts. You just need to open this, throttle will come out, and then you just need to unplug. And similarly in this way you can change it. See, all the parts you see in this product, like these are the brakes for the light, for the throttle, then even for the headlight you see there is a plug. So you can just open it from here and then change it. So this is quite easy to maintain. Similarly in case of Protos also, the smaller model, most of the things, this is for the throttle, then this is for the brake and the light switch. So you can easily open it up from this and easily change it. Similarly, you will see the light has got the same mechanism. You can unplug this and then open it from here. So these parts can be changed easily by the users themselves. Just in case you need to change the battery, or there is a problem in controller motor. In that case, in this particular model, the 8-inch one, you might face some difficulty, but this is not like something that you can't do. This can be also done. We also have uploaded a video where we have shown how to open this and change the battery and all. So you can check out that video also. Maintenance becomes more easy in Protos VMX because, as you can see, this is the deck of the scooter. In that scooter you can see in the silver one, the deck is already closed. So this is the plate that remains here in this manner, and using bolts this is fitted on this. So when you will open, you will see all the wires and the controller. Here is the controller and all the plugs are here, and battery is inserted in this part, which is also easily removable. So it becomes quite easy to maintain this product, this particular product. If you want to open the motor also, then it is also very easy in this particular model. You see this, these are the plugs, these are plugged in. You can easily take out, then open the nut and then take out the motor. So this is very easy to maintain, and in case like you feel you need any help, so we are always there to guide you on either on a video call or on a call. And suppose you are not able to do it yourself, then you can also bring it to a bike mechanic or someone, and then we can guide you from there. So most of the things are very easy and you can do it yourself. So please don't worry about after sales and service. We are always here to guide you, and we keep on uploading tutorials regarding the maintenance. We have various tutorials on different topics, and we'll be adding more. So this is how easy it is to maintain these bikes, and these are not these do not require maintenance. Just check the nuts and bolts and these simple things. That's it. You don't need to use any oil or do any kind of servicing on these products. So that is the best part of these kind of products. So I hope I have given you some clarity about the after sales and service. And yeah, our products are already on sale. So if you need our products, please do visit our website or contact us on our WhatsApp. So we'll guide you how to purchase, and in case those who have purchased and they need any details regarding the servicing or anything, we are here to help you. So thank you for watching.